Hi, I'm Courtney, Court for short. Today I'll be doing a Kinky Twist tutorial. I do have short natural hair. I did do a big chop a while back. I'll be using a natural hair spritz, a wide tooth comb, a few different clips to hold my hair as I twist.
Here is a close-up of the spring twist hair that I use for this tutorial.
Here's one strand of that spring twist hair. I ended up using a strand and a half. It worked best for me. I did have to practice one before showing you guys to make sure I knew what I was doing. I used my olive oil edge control just to kind of help tame the hair, blend in a little better, and it helps me grip my hair. So I did use a few different methods throughout my hair. On this side area, I am going to do a braid method where I'm adding the hair with a braid. So right here you can see me kind of separating the hair, stretching a little bit. And then I'm going to put it in 3 pieces and attach. So I probably braid it down or maybe about almost kind of to the end of my hair. So maybe down like 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Well, maybe about 5 or 6 times just to make sure it's attached on there pretty good. So once I felt like it was attached on there pretty good, I mean, with this hair, I do keep combing through it because I don't want it to get tangled, and then I add a clip. Once the clip is added, I just start twisting to the left. I caught that hint from another girl's video I watched. She said, I guess that's the way the hair is packaged. I don't know. But I just twisted to the left. I just took her advice. And I'm not going to lie, I did not like the way this twist personally came out. But then I was like, you know what? This doesn't have to be a perfect hairstyle. Like, I feel like braids have to be perfect. These twists don't. And it's going to end up blending in with all the other twists anyway. So if some of your twists don't come out perfect, hey, at the end, if it's not looking right, you can always change it. But this one, I just left it. Okay, so I'm still not done. I was up last night and I got tired, so I stopped. I am currently on my 3rd pack and I have this left. So when I get to like the last couple. Okay, so on the back where I couldn't really grip that good, I did use rubber bands. My hair is really short once again. I did do a big chop. From my pixie, because you know pixie, you wear a lot of heat damage. So what I'm doing up front is, because I don't want a rubber band to show, is I'm plaiting my hair. That way it'll hold better. So I am adding a little moisture, not too much, because my hair will get really curly. And I am adding a little of that olive oil edge control. Try to keep it slightly sleek. And I'm not doing these braids really tight. To add a little moisture, I'm just gonna here's where I show you how I just crocheted the hair on. In the front, I did the plaids. In the back, where I couldn't see and grip as good, I used a rubber band. So it's the same method. It's just I didn't want the rubber bands to show in the front. Once I have that hair crocheted on, I can honestly just start my twist. But I still decided to braid down some just to kind of match the rest of the hair and just to make sure it's extra secure. Since my hair is so short, I don't want it to slip and come unbraided. So I just decided to braid that hair with mine and then start my twist just to be on the safe side. After a combined time of probably like 6.5, 7 hours, I'm finally done. Once I'm done, I do moisturize my scalp with Natural Re's Hair and Scalp Spritz. I get it all over. Once I have that in there, I do take her Hair and Scalp Love hair oil, and I moisturize that through my scalp as well. Protective styles are honestly just perfect for keeping your hair moisturized and just promoting that growth. So every couple of days I'll put on the oil, but every day I will use the spritz. After moisturizing my hair, I did start to play with it just to see how far over to the side I wanted to wear it. Then once I figured out how far over to the side I wanted to wear it, I did decide to frame it to my face. Some of them were a little longer, and it just didn't look right. So I feel like people should always cut stuff and frame it to their face and head shape. It just looks better. It makes it look more natural, and it's just more playful, like when it falls to the side. So there I have it. So this is the finished product. Kind of like it tossed over. To play with it. I did end up cutting it a little bit. To sleep, I just put my hair in a bonnet. I just tuck my hair right in there. I also sometimes wrap a silk scarf around my edges just so I don't have any friction around those edges. You know, we want to preserve those. And in the morning, I just snatch that bonnet off, toss my hair to the side, and of course beat my face, and then I'm ready to go. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. I go by Court on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.